Hello there, this is my third video on an old guy with a Avata, and today I'm going to be experimenting with the head tracking just to see what's possible with it and what's not possible with it. Before I start, I will say just one little thing. I've changed the size of the screen in the goggles. I was flying with it at 100%, but I was finding it quite difficult to see all the information around the edge, like the height and the distance, and I actually was getting quite worried that I might end up looking like this. So what I've done, I've changed the size of the screen now to 80% and trying it out for the first time today, so we'll see how I'll get on with that as well. But as I said, the main thing is the head tracking, so I'll set up and we'll start playing about. Up in the air, so if I swipe down on the touchpad, swipe over to that funny symbol, which is head tracking. I'm out of that, and now I'm going to lock the goggles. Right, so now on head tracking. So if I turn to the left, alright, okay, that's weird. Turn to the right. So I'm now on head tracking. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head to that tree there. Okay, so while I'm flying along, if I turn to the left, I should be going sideways, which I appear to be. And if I turn to the right, I'm still going sideways, and hopefully nearly heading towards the tree. That puts a whole different perspective on this drone. I'm going to bring it back now. Okay, now head for that tree again, only this time I'm going to look down. Now, I don't have to move my head that much before I can actually see the front of the drone. So I don't have to move it much. I guess if I'm about there, I could actually crop that out in post. Now move the head back. And I'm looking at the clouds. Look at those lovely clouds. Head for that tree again. This time I'm going to turn all the way round. And I should be flying away from myself, which I am. And again. So I'm turning the drone and turning my head as well. This is a bit like patting yourself on the head and rubbing your tummy. It's going to take a lot of practice to get this right. A lot of practice. See the front of the drone again. Turn it. As I'm turning it, I'm looking at me. Okay. Yeah, it's got its uses. But this is also going to take a lot of practice. So if I go down the side of this barn now, feel like I'm falling over. And then I'll just turn to the left. A passing shot. Okay. I'm going to fly towards the river and just pan past that tree. Yeah. Okay. Experiment over. I'll stop it there. That's going to take some practice, and I am now off to have a travel sickness pill.